Hi, Ian Roberts, Mastering Composition and Simplifying the Painting Process. A couple of weeks ago, I was at our farmer's market, and our farmer, one of the farmers, had these gorgeous pumpkin squashes. And I said, oh, I want to paint that. So I bought it. This was about 2 weeks ago. And I figured, okay, this week I'm going to do a still life, and I was setting up with lemons and pots. And in the end, I just decided I'm just painting the pumpkin. I just really did not want this pumpkin to start getting soft and squashy, and I had to throw it away, and I didn't paint it. So this week I painted a pumpkin. And for the most part, the entire demonstration is just, you see the palette. I'll have the colors down below so that you can follow along what the colors are. And you'll just see that I'm mixing probably unusual color combinations, perhaps, of what you'd normally mix. And then you can just see me sort of testing them and blocking them in. It's just for the block in. After the block in, it goes another 45 minutes or whatever it is to finish the painting, but things go much more slowly. But I'm not talking over it. It's just clipped really tightly where you can see the palette, mixing, paint marks, palette, paint marks. So I think it's sort of self-explanatory. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you at the end. So I painted this from life, but that's basically a photograph of what I was looking at. I wanted really strong contrast, both of temperature and of value. There's a single light source creating really good shadow shapes, and that's what I was painting. And there's the finished painting. I mean, it's pretty loose. I was mainly showing you the color mixtures for the block in, and then, you know, it takes another half hour of sort of muddling around with bits and pieces to get it finished. There's a bit of glare on it, which is interfering, but that was sort of the idea. I just wanted to paint this squash, and there it is. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please do subscribe, sign up on my email list to get this on Tuesdays, share it with your friends, like it, and I will see you next Tuesday. And for the next week, I hope you have a great week full of creativity and joy, and I will see you in a week. Bye for now.